Hello all Densafarians and dinosaurs. Today I am going to show you guys plenty of new sea animals. The first one right here is actually a Galapagos lightfoot crab. Do you guys know that this crab, when they were young, they were actually black and grey in color, and when they grow up they turn into this more colorful bright red orange and red crab right over here. So really interesting. I'm gonna place it right over here. Next up, let's take a look at this beautiful squid that we have just purchased. This is a reef squid, okay? Looks really nice. Let's place this over here. And what do we have over here? Okay, not exactly a sea animal because the alligator can also live on the land. It's a huge alligator with babies, okay? You can see with babies on top. Looks so adorable. All right. A really huge and beautiful alligator. Next up, we have a red ear slider terrapin right here, or also known as a turtle. Okay, so they are really beautiful. They can grow up to like 30 centimeters long when they're fully grown. All right, another new fish that we have purchased. This is actually a frogfish. All right. Take a look at this face of the fish. Looks really interesting. You can also find some facts, so let me just read. It basically says this frogfish can use their excellent camouflage to hide from predators and sneak up on prey. Alright, looks really beautiful and interesting fish. Next up, we have a new humpback whale figure that we have just purchased. Let's see. Okay, this humpback whale, they are actually extensively hunted, so they are endangered. All right. Next up, we have an octopus right over here, and a huge, giant polar bear. We have just purchased this figure, so I'm really happy with it. You can see our sea animals toy collection is actually expanding. We have a narwhal right over here. Another new figure that we have just purchased is actually this marbury. So you can see the skin patterns, okay? All these patterns on it, they actually resemble the patterns on a marble slab, the marble flooring that you can find. All right, another humpback whale figure. This is a pilot whale. Looks really adorable. An orca, which is also known as a killer whale, a great white shark right over here, and this is also a new figure that we have just purchased, and this is actually known as a bonnet head shark. This is actually a type of hammerhead shark closely related to the hammerhead shark, which is right over here. So you can see we have plenty of different sea animals. Of course, we have this octopus figure that we have purchased a long time ago. It still looks really beautiful. A jellyfish figure looks really beautiful. They are actually poisonous, so don't go near one when you see them. Let's see what else we've got. We have a bamboo shark right here, and let's read some facts about this. Bamboo sharks aren't strong swimmers. They use their fins to walk along the seabeds. Alright, really interesting fact about that. Right over here we have a bowhead whale. So you can see we have plenty of whale figures. I'm really happy that our collection of whales are expanding. This is a Atlantic white-sided dolphin, and this dolphin, it is very unique. It actually features a unique yellow patch on its body, which other dolphins do not have. We have a sea dragon right here, and do you guys know that the male sea dragons, they are actually the ones that carry the young, so it's written right over here. So really beautiful sea dragon. They actually look like seahorses. I think they're closely related as well. Right over here, we have a beautiful right whale. Wow, it's really huge. I'm not too sure, when it comes to the size, how does it compare with the blue whale? We have a prehistoric shark right over here, which is a megalodon. Okay, and a whale shark right over here. And this is a great white shark. And a hermit crab. Okay, So you can see this crab is like climbing, it's like out of the shell. Looks really interesting. And with a gigantic megalodon shark right over here, which is a prehistoric shark. Alright, let's see. We have a Blainville's beaked whale right over here, a lobster, a beluga whale. This is a great white shark, and this is a sperm whale, which you can recognize it by this really squarish looking face or head. And it says sperm whale can dive deeper than 30,000 feet and hold a breath for 90 minutes. That's really long. Alright, and this is also a new figure that we have just purchased. This is a leatherback sea turtle. Looks really beautiful. I love turtles. Another great white shark right over here. And this is a blue sperm whale. We have two later figures right here, which is a dolphin and a tiger shark. And I'm gonna open some new figures, so stay tuned. I'm gonna get a few new sea animals to show you guys. Okay. Alright, let's open this up. I wonder what's this. It looks like a blue whale. Let's have a look. This is actually known as a sea whale. Sea whale. It's written right over here. And let's try to see whether there are any interesting facts about this sea creature. Okay. It basically says sea whales consume on average about a ton of food per day. Whoa, that is a lot of food. So you can see it looks like the blue whale that we have. Wow, looks really beautiful. We can see this spot right over here, which allows it to eject water from its body. Okay. I think we have a few more new figures. Let's see what else we've got inside our box. I don't think we have any more new sea creatures. Oh, there's one last one, which is a prehistoric fish, if I'm not wrong, which is an ichthyosaurus. So let's open this up together. So take a look at this. This is an ichthyosaurus, which is a prehistoric marine fish. So let's see. Let's get the facts. Let's see whether there are any interesting facts about this beautiful prehistoric sea animal. Though they resembled dolphins and fish, ichthyosaurs were actually marine reptiles. Wow, I didn't know this. So this is actually not a fish. This is a prehistoric marine reptile. Alright. I think that's all. That's all the fishes and the sea creatures that we have today. Hopefully you guys enjoy it, and definitely subscribe for more animal videos. So as you guys can see, our animal collection is expanding. So stay tuned for more videos. I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.